How to add your Google account to iPhone. Let's get started. For that, first of all, simply open up Settings. Inside, you scroll down and then tap on Apps. Inside Apps, you can simply search for the Mail app and then tap onto it. Then inside here, simply tap on Mail Accounts. Then select Add Account. Tap on Choose from a list. And make sure you tap on Google. After that, you can simply tap on Open a browser and a sign-in page will appear. Enter your Google email address and password and then simply tap on Next. And if you have a two-factor authentication enabled, complete the verification process. Wait for a few seconds while your account is authenticated, and once signed in, you will see several options like Mail, Contacts, Calendar, and Notes. You can simply turn it on for the services you want to sync with your iPhone. After selecting your preferences, you can simply tap on Continue and then simply tap on Save. And that's it, your Google account is now added to your iPhone. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.